This cocktail is called Honeymooners Delight. Go ahead and put your ice in your glass. Honeymooners Delight, but it's good for Valentine's Day too. We're going to do about 1.5 ounces of apple cider. Let's see, let's just eyeball it. What do you say? Because it has its own pour top. So I'd say that looks about 1.5 ounces. Yeah, that looks good to me. Now we're going to do 1/2 ounce of Benedictine. Benedictine has been around since 1510. Can you believe that? Now we're going to do about 1/2 ounce of blue Curaçao or blue carousel, however you say it. And then a couple tablespoons or a couple of dashes of lemon juice. I would say that's about 2 tablespoons. And now you're going to mix. Now, a lot of our Valentine's Day drinks have been bright red, so this is a nice change. It's sort of like a blue color, blue-green color. That is what your Honeymooners Delight is going to look like. Happy Valentine's Day.